case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case that reshaped the scope of spousal rights in Texas, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of allowing spouses to sue for emotional injury following a traumatic incident in which their partner was physically injured by a third party's negligence. The case, Whittlesey v. Miller, arose from a 1974 collision involving Stuart Miller and David Whittlesey. In the aftermath of the accident, a $9,650 settlement agreement was executed between Miller and Whittlesey. However, Stuart Miller's wife Anne, unsatisfied with the settlement, initiated legal action in 1976. She claimed Whittlesey's negligence resulted in her personal loss, or loss of consortium, indicating the emotional harm she suffered due to her husband's injuries. The Texas courts had initially sided with Whittlesey, ruling a wife could not recover for loss of consortium. The case was subsequently brought forth for appeal, and the Supreme Court overruled the initial decision, acknowledging the importance and undeniable existence of a spouse's emotional stakes within a marriage, or consortium. They ruled that spouses have the right to recover for emotional loss caused by a third party's negligence, aligning the state's law with the majority of other jurisdictions and rectifying a paradox within Texas law. In a move that rejected the notion of double recovery, the court stated that each spouse recovers for losses unique to the injury they sustained. Therefore, a settlement for a physically injured spouse doesn't bar the emotional injured partner's claims. The court declared Ann Miller's legal action as a separate claim, with the compensation considered her separate property. This landmark ruling has far-reaching implications for spousal rights, ensuring that emotional harms suffered in the aftermath of third-party inflicted physical injuries are taken into account and duly compensated. It not only upheld the decision of the Civil Appeals Court in favor of Ann Miller, but also set a precedent for future cases on similar grounds.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.